We're at 1120 El Mirador.
Play ABS. One more right there. Offset, or is that a brake? Is that a brake?
Oh, that's bad.
That's a brake. Wow, yeah, that's a brake. That's it.
Okay, that's a brake. That was a good catch by the man, Timothy. We'll locate that right now. Okay, that's marked past the big tree in front of the house, in front of the door, front door, not the city year tree. A little past it in the yard.
At the ranch, the water.
Okay, well you see I'm pulling back because I'm looking for, we got the water turned on in the kitchen sink, so we're looking to where it ties into this line. So you're going to see it jump from 76 down to 50 because I cut out some. So we're going to find it here in a second.
There it is.
Coming in from the brake?
Yeah, it looks like it.
That's not a Y, that's a...
Yeah, that's a totally broken line and there's water coming in.
Can you see if the fitting on the upstream or the downstream side is supposed to be the Y connection?
What?
I'm looking to see where the Y is, because if the water's coming in there, then one of those fittings is supposed to be a Y or something that's just broken.
There it is.
What is that?
That's a steady stream.
Okay.
And that's coming in very weird. That's because it's broken.
Alright.
So that's where you're going to find the kitchen sink line. I would imagine the kitchen sink is somewhere middle-ish.
Right against the garage wall there. Yeah. So it's got to come out the garage. I guess that other room didn't used to be there, maybe?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a heavy stream right there.
All right. You want to record that and...
Well, I did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. We're going to get to the street. Make sure that's all... Oh, it's under. Yep. Oh, that's the street.
Okay, we're going across the driveway right now. Okay, I gotta jet the line more. Okay, here we are in the city. Pulling back. Okay, we marked that out in the street. We marked that out in the street. Come back 15 feet for. Okay, we're in the city, but the city is like stopped up, going slow. Okay, I marked this spot out in the street. About 8 feet deep.
Okay, if you're paying attention to the footage counter, you'll see it kind of jumped around a little bit in the middle of the video. That's because I couldn't push any further with the smaller camera, so I switched out to the bigger camera because it was going all the way across the yard at an angle instead of a straight shot out. So, and then we got jammed up in the city and we couldn't see because we were looking for the connection. But now we're going to pull back, so you're going to see all the way from the city all the way back, and then of course you saw what was wrong on the way out.
Okay, there's your sewer inspection. Thank you.